Good morning and namaskar to everyone presented here. I am Shrutika Chand from grade 9A3, stand over here to deliver today's news. So let's start with national news. Nepal's tea industrial have announced an indefinite shutdown of all factories and plantation across Chapa and Ilam. The decision follows several export aversions after the Tea Board of India implemented a new standard operating procedure. Foreign Minister Shashir Khanal recently visited China after an official trip to India focusing on economic cooperations, technologies and investment opportunities. International news, the US and Iran have formally signed a 14 points memorandum to in their recent conflicts. The agreement also starts talks on sanctions reflects an Iran nuclear program. At the G7 summit, world leaders reaffirmed their support to Ukraine, agreed to increase pressure on Russia to keep in ongoing war. The US Navy will be deploying a new generations of drone-based countermeasures to search the sea floor and surface for any mines in Iran leds. Sports news. Global sports headlines are dominated by the FIFA World Cup with Lionel Messi scoring a hat-trick to equal an all-time goals record. India's women team registered their second successive victory by tracing the Netherlands by 95 runs, lead by stellar performance from Smriti Mandhana and Sefali Verma. So today's word of the day is subterfugeous. It means that something done secretly, quickly, often because the person doing it doesn't want to notice others. Now, today's thought of the day goes like, success is not failure, success is not final, failure is not fatal, it is the courage to continue that counts. It means that neither success nor failure lasts forever. Achieving success doesn't means your journey is over, and facing failure doesn't mean everything lost. What really matters is having the courage and determination to keep trying, learning and moving forward despite challenges. Now let's move towards today's weather forecast. Today's minimum temperature is 21 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature is 28 degrees Celsius. Thank you and have a great day.